Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SNNA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I'm going to anyhow. Crazy movement today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down there at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going forward. And really to just summarize today's movement in and of itself, this is, in trading jargon, what we would call a gap and trap, meaning on Wednesday, the price closed right there. And then this morning, the price opened right there, hence the gap up. And then even after the market opened, the price continued to move and went up as high as that point right there. And I think some poor souls bought there and there. And then from that point, it was all bears the remainder of the day. So a total gap and trap going forward, on the day. But now it just becomes a matter of, is this the beginning of the end, or is the price going to try to consolidate out? And as of right now, the price is doing its best to consolidate out here at the 26-cent mark. You can see right there, actually, that's an area that generated a bounce. And then this afternoon, once again, the price is, sitting right around this area. So going into Friday and next week, it becomes a valid question. Is this level going to, create some sort of bounce again, or are things just going to get that much nastier? And if this is not any sort of bottom and the price ultimately decides to just, continue on down, at that point, that's where you would want to watch the purple line there, the 50-period moving average. Keyword being moving. So yes, right now it's valued at 20 cents. But as Friday and the next week plays out, that line's going to move itself higher and higher. So point being that from a trading perspective, you'll just have to be a little bit more proactive as a trader and kind of take a real-time inventory check of whatever that value of the 50-period moving average is as time plays out. Now, again, none of this will matter if this level does ultimately hold up as support and create a bounce. And yeah, at that point, the 50-period moving average becomes a lot less important. So in the event, though, the price does bounce, let's talk about some resistance areas. Initial area of resistance on any sort of attempted bounce going to be right up there at 32 cents. And really, I'm just going to talk about that level because if the price gets back up above 32 cents, I'm sure I'll be back to update the chart at that point in time. But don't want to clutter up the chart with too many annotations. Let's just first see if this pullback is going to actually consolidate out, or if this thing is just going to head right back to 20 cents and below. So Friday, definitely going to be a very interesting day. Real quick, if you found this video helpful, then I'm very confident in saying you'd find great value in this live web class that I'm offering. It's totally free, so if you're interested in learning more or getting signed up, you can go to claytrader.com/live or just click the link on the description area. Like I said, it is live, so there's a question and answer session, and it's very interactive. So I'd encourage you to go to the link, get signed up, and I'll see you at the class.